a pro-Khalistan gang attempted to disrupt India's Independence Day event in Australia. Remember, the diaspora of India also has celebrated India's Independence Day in different parts of the country where they're residing. In Australia, there have been increasing incidents of attempts to intimidate and disrupt such events. So look at this visual on your screen. The flag hoisting ceremony that was being done. Indian communities, Bharat Mata chanting, eventually shut the Khalistan mob, the pro-Khalistan mob in Melbourne. These are the visuals that have come in from Melbourne in Australia. Bharat Mata chanting, though drowning the disruption bid. But the fact is that where the Indian community flag hoisting ceremony was on, how and why did this group come in? This was St. Kilda, Victoria, is where we are told. This is the Indian Consulate Office. And again, a reminder of the kind of not only disturbances, but attempts to threaten even diplomats of the country. Let's listen in. Let's put the sound up of what exactly happened. So remember, this is not just about war of words. This is also an attempt to intimidate someone celebrating their Independence Day. And these pro-Khalistan groups, and I want to add here, it's not about the Sikh community, because there are, of course, members from the community who are proud Indians and part of the diaspora as well, Australia or any other country, who, of course, part of these events, like any Indian would. So these are basically just a group of gang and goons who want to intimidate the Indian diaspora. And now we have a special guest joining us on this telecast. Yogesh Bhatt is the president of founder of the Vivekanand Society in Australia, in Melbourne. Thank you for joining us, Yogesh. Tell me what exactly happened, and a very happy Independence Day to you as well. I believe that this would be a common occurrence of an event being celebrated anywhere by the diaspora. What happened in Melbourne at this event?
Yeah, Namaste Pooja ji, and a very happy Independence Day to all of you and your viewers.
Thank you.
So, like other years, so we all went to Indian Consulate today morning, and the visuals were disturbing at that time, and the Khalistani protesters, they were just at the doorstep with their, with their flags and all that, and they were tearing down the, Indian flag. So, a lot of us were very furious, and we tried to, protest, and we tried to go there, and we tried to make them understand, but the things were out of control. And because, as you know, that the police and the system here, they are very flexible. Like, you can do anything here. Even nowadays, we can see there are a lot of incidents happening for the Australian flag. So that's what we did was we had a lot of, songs and, there is no benefit in shortening others' line. So we thought that let us make our line bigger. And as we say that today is not the day when we can involve in the fight. Because as we say that, खून देते रहे जो चमन के लिए, हो गए जो हवन खुद हवन के लिए, उन शहीदों को हमारा नमन है जो जिए और मरे वतन के लिए. So I think those guys are distracted, and we all understand that.
And good on the Indian diaspora and the community members to not turn this into a violent confrontation, because that's exactly what some of these gangs want, but to uphold the tradition, the ethos as Indians, as Australians as much, to be able to keep that tradition going. Appreciate you joining us.